Hi, it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I just want to show you what we've done on this latest brand new Audi Q3. This is the F3 chassis model, latest 2020 model. What you can see, what we've done in the car is the reversing camera with the guidelines, and we've done the optical parking sensors, or parking system plus, as I think it's called by the Audi term. The car arrived from the factory with just rear sensors. What we have done is we've added the front sensors and made it all optical parking system plus. So you get the little bars getting closer to the car as you approaching the objects. The original Audi parking sensors that we've just completed on this Q3 are installed exactly the same specification as from factory, no difference. So they installed in the outer sensors are installed in the bumper just here, while the inner sensors are installed in the brackets in the grille. It goes like that on majority of cars, so it's installed to the same specification exactly as we would have it from the factory, no difference, all original Audi parts. We also upgraded the car with the reversing camera, so all working together, automatically activated with the reverse gear. If you move, you'll show you the guidelines move left and right to guide you where you're driving, and when you're approaching objects, for example by driving forward, it also comes with the warning signs and all that here. It also comes with a button. This customer decided to go with the blank switch, so it's here, and the switch is got a little LED to show when it's on and off, which gets activated automatically when you approach the objects, but you can also select the button at any point to switch it on and off. And so all that installed to the factory specification, includes 3 years warranty. If you'd like more information, please get in touch, info@satnavsystems.com. Thank you.